Hello everyone. We are studying class 10 physics and today we'll start a new chapter, light, reflection and refraction. Now this is very important chapter. It has numericals, theory, ray diagrams, and if you want to score good in physics, then this chapter will be the key. So first let's understand what is light. पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि light actual में है क्या. तो basically light is an electromagnetic wave which can be seen by human beings. Transverse waves are those waves in which particles of the medium travel perpendicularly to the direction of wave. And electromagnetic waves are those waves which are created through the electric and magnetic field. So this is the definition of light. Now let us understand the dual nature of light. Light has dual nature. It means that sometimes light is in the form of wave and sometimes light is in the form of particles. Now let's have a look on visuals of light with the help of some animations. Our next topic is reflection of light. So this chapter is less about light and its nature. It's more about phenomenon of light when light strikes some surface. So when light strikes a surface, several things can happen depending on the nature of the surface. So when a ray of light strikes an opaque surface, it comes back on the same side. This phenomena is called reflection of light. Opaque surface are those surfaces through which we cannot see. If light strikes a polished or smooth surface, then the reflection is known as specular reflection or regular reflection. But when light strikes a rough surface, the reflection is called irregular or diffuse reflection. तो हमने देखा when light strikes an opaque surface, it bounces back to the original side. जब light किसी opaque surface से टकराती है तो ओरिजिनल डायरेक्शन की तरफ टकरा कर वापस आ जाती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. और अगर सरफेस बहुत ज़्यादा पॉलिश्ड है लाइक अ मिरर, तब जो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा उसको हम कहते हैं रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन। ठीक है, सेम एंगल बनाती हुई सारी रेज पैरेलल रिफ्लेक्ट होंगी, लेकिन अगर लाइट किसी रफ सरफेस से टकराती है जो पॉलिश नहीं है, तब वो रेज जो रिफ्लेक्ट होंगी वो पैरेलल नहीं होंगी, अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जाएंगी। तो इसको हम कहते हैं डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन। नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। अ लाइट रे विच स्ट्राइक्स a polished surface is called incident ray. The point where light rays strike is called point of incidence. The perpendicular at the point of incidence is called normal, and the ray which bounces back is called reflected ray. The angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, which is represented by small I. The angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection, represented by small r. According to first law of reflection, incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Now let's understand the second law of reflection. According to second law of reflection, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Therefore, angle I is equals to angle R. Now let's understand how an image is formed by a plane mirror. We will draw a straight line and we'll shade the back part of it to show the polished surface. To form the image of an object, we'll take a point size object O in front of the mirror. Now many rays comes from point O and strike the mirror, but we need at least 2 rays to form an image. So an incident ray coming from point O gets reflect. Then we'll take another incident ray coming from point O which strikes the mirror and reflects. Due to polished surface, both the reflected rays are parallel. This is called a regular reflection. Now when these light rays reaches the eye of an observer who is standing in front of the mirror, it appears to him as these light rays are coming from a point behind the mirror, and his brain interprets these light rays to be coming from a different point which is behind the mirror, and observer sees an image at that point. In this way, the image of a point-sized object is formed.